Hey, what's up? Today I want to share my experience unboxing the Audio-Technica ATH-M50xSTS-USB. And so what I'm going to do in this video is that first of all, I'm going to unbox this bad boy, and then I'm going to compare the microphone quality from this headset with my current microphone, which is the Blue Yeti Nano. And finally, at the end of the video, I'm going to explain why I decided to purchase these headphones. That being said, before I go right in, I just wanted to say that I'm not really an audio engineer and I'm not really an audio professional or anyway. And so I'm simply unboxing a pair of headphones that I wanted. So let's go. I'm just gonna put that a little bit down there. All right. Okay, so we first got some manuals. I'm gonna remove that. Okay, so there's a cable right here. Okay. So I got some ear pads right here, which is kind of some faux leather, if that makes sense. I'm gonna put that right here. Okay, that's pretty much it, I guess. All right. All right, so I guess that's pretty much it. And so here, this is the USB version. So there's the USB right here, and then there's the USB-C adapter that I can put on it. All right. They feel really solid. I quite like that. Sometimes when that phone twists like this, I'm not so sure because sometimes I'm scared that I might break them or whatever. But these, they feel quite solid, so I quite like that. You can adjust it to your liking here. All right, so they seem quite comfortable, and I love the fact that they are all over my ears, so I quite like this. Then there's the microphone right here. All right, so the unboxing is pretty much done. I mean, there's not much to it. It's just the box, and then the headphones are right in, and so the headphones are here, and the cable is actually attached to the headphones, and so you cannot actually remove the cable. You kind of have to stick with this cable right here. There's also this feature in the back here, which is quite which I think is the monitor. And so if you want to hear your voice while you're recording or whatever, then you can use that. So the microphone that you're hearing right now is actually the Blue Yeti, the Nano version. And so I actually have it right here. All right. So this is right now the microphone that you're hearing. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to switch for my headphones. All right, so right now what you're hearing is actually my microphone from this headset. So right now I just wanted to compare the microphone of my Blue Yeti Nano with my headset right here. And so for the rest of the video, I'm probably going to use this microphone. All right, so there are many reasons why I decided to purchase these headphones. And first of all, these headphones that I have right here, this is the USB version. It's not the XLR version because this headset right here, you have the choice to get either the USB version or the XLR version. But in my case, as I said a little bit earlier, I'm not an audio engineer. I'm not a professional in the audio sector or whatever. And I don't have a mixer, and to be completely honest, I don't really want to deal with one. I'm not interested with having a mixer, and so to me, having an XLR and dealing with a mixer feels kind of like adding problems to my setup, and so to me, it seems like it's more painful and more expensive to use. And so in my case, I love having USB because it's much more convenient to use and I can just plug it in my computer or whatever, and it's just going to work out of the box. And so I can use it for my computer. I can use it for my laptop that I have over here. And with this little adapter here, I can even use it with my phone. And so I prefer having a USB version because it's much more convenient and universal. And another reason why I got them is because I was actually looking for a headset instead of a combination of a standalone microphone and sub headphones. And so I think about in the last year or so, I've been using the Blue Yeti Nano that you just hear a little bit earlier. And I was also using Sennheiser's headphones HD-569. And so those are the things that I was using in the pretty much in the last year or so. But overall, I just dislike having a standalone microphone. And so I just find it painful to use. I just think it's so much management to use. It's much more work. You have to like think about the positioning of all these things. And as you can see right now, I don't have a broom arm right now. It's just a little stand that came with the microphone. And so I don't have a broom arm. And I don't have a broom arm, and I'm not interested with having a broom arm because in my case, my desk here, as you can see right here, kind of has some padding all around it. And so it's all closed like all around my computer. And so having a broom arm feels it's not the best option in my case because if I were to have some sort of broom arm, I would need to use it on this side of my desk because it's the only side that is actually open, and I could like use some sort of clamp here to make it work. And so if I were to use some sort of broom arm for my microphone, then I would kind of need to either switch my desk, which would cost more money, or I would simply purchase a clamp to go here, but then it would be in the way. And in my case, I just think having a standalone microphone is just a pain in the ass. And so I wanted an headset because in my case, when I'm on the computer, I'm always having headphones. I always either listen to some music or like even if I listen to nothing, I always have headphones on my computer. It's some sort of habit that I have, and it's just what I do. And so I was looking for a good headset with inbuilt microphone, so that way I can actually combine the functions of this and this. And by getting a good headset, then it would end up being the same price than both of these added, plus the broom arm and all these things. And so what particularly brought me to these headphones right here is the quality of the microphone. And so in my case, since I'm making videos and I'm also planning to maybe start streaming soon, I wanted a microphone that could actually match the quality of a standalone microphone. But one common issue that I found in my research is that oftentimes the microphone that come inbuilt with most of the headset are quite passable. It's not the highest quality microphone. And so usually these headsets usually have some good headphones, but the microphone that comes with the headset are just not that great. And so these headsets are usually built for gaming and simply for video chatting. And so, for example, I was considering headphones like the Sennheiser Game 1 and the HyperX Cloud Alpha, which I think they seem fine and they have the good review, but I think that the microphone is actually not that great if you actually want to record yourself and if you want to start streaming or whatever. And so I wanted something that could actually compare with a standalone microphone like this. And so what I also like about these headphones is that they don't have this gamer style. They actually look professional. The only thing is that these headsets are quite expensive, and so that's something to keep in mind. But the way I see it is that it's a good investment for my work and my business, and also simply to listen to some music. And I'm going to declare them as some sort of business expense. And so, in my case, it's pretty cool. And it's a way for me to simply simplify my computer setup and also by improving the sound. And so I get to get rid of both of these and have a good microphone inbuilt with my headset. And so with this, I hope that I'll be able to make more videos and possibly start streaming soon. And it seems like these headsets have been designed exactly for that. And so they call it the StreamSet or something like this. And so I think it's actually the first headset that is actually built for video creation and streaming. And so because of that, I was attracted to these things. And so yes, they're quite expensive, but hopefully I'll be able to have them for a few years, and I hope that they will last a few years. And so I think that's pretty much it for this video. And I hope that this video was helpful to you. If this video was valuable to you, you could consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And if you have any thoughts or comments, you can leave them below, because I will answer everything, and your thoughts and comments could be valuable to other people. All right, peace.